Now we are going to learn 3 new Chinese strokes. So look at here. The first one is horizontal turning stroke. So this is the short diagonal stroke that goes from the top left to the bottom right. And here is the example, 口, which means mouth, and 日, which means sun. And next one is vertical turning stroke. This stroke goes straight down and then turns to the right. So here's the example, 山, the mountain, 出, to come or to get out. And the last stroke, the vertical hook. This stroke also starts going down and finish with the small hook to the left. So the character 丁, which means man, member of a family, or 小, it has this vertical hook. Now let's look at the single component characters. First, let's look at the stroke order and direction with each character. Number 1, this one is 口. Number 2, which is character 见. Number 3, which is the character 山. And number 4, which is character 小. And last one, which is character 不. Okay, now please take out a piece of paper or your notebook and write along with me as we go through each one on the screen. So first one, let's write 口. So the character means mouth. Its shapes look like an open mouth, like a person opening their mouth to speak loud. Second one is character 见, which means to see. In traditional form, the top part is the eye and the bottom part is a person. So it means it's a person using their eyes to see, so which means to look or to see. Number 3 is character 山, which means mountain. This character looks like a ridge of mountains with 3 peaks. And the fourth one is 小, which means small or little. This character originally showed small sand grains or tiny things. Today it means small. The last one is 不, which means not. Long ago, this character represented a kind of tool, but over time it changed. Now it's used as an adverb to show negative meaning, no or not. Well done! Now let's move on to the vocabulary and the text. Let's learn our first 2 Chinese words. The first word, 谢谢. Please read after me. 谢谢. 谢谢 is a verb. It means thank you. It's a polite and common way to show gratitude in Chinese. It's made by repeating the same character twice. 谢. So 谢 means to thank. In Chinese, we say it twice to sound natural and polite. 谢谢. Native speakers don't just say it once. So pay attention to here. It's a light tone. Alright? So when someone gives you something, you can say 谢谢. And when someone helps you, you can say 谢谢你. Thank you. Or when you want to thank your teacher, you can say 谢谢老师. Thank you, teacher. So let's practice saying 谢谢 together. 谢谢. 谢谢你. 谢谢老师. Very good. The second word is 不. Please read after me. 不. Very good. 不 is an adverb. It means not or no in Chinese. We use it to make negative sentences. It usually comes before a verb or another word to show negation. So what does it mean when we say 不好? The character 不 means not or no, and 好 means good. So 不好 in Chinese, it means not good. And what about 不谢? What does it mean when we say 不谢? We know that 谢 here, 谢谢, 谢 means thank you. So 不谢, it means no need to thank me or you are welcome. It's a polite way to respond when someone said 谢谢. And here I have a very important tip for you. Normally, 不 is pronounced with the fourth tone, 不. But when 不 is followed by another fourth tone, like 谢, the tone changes to the second tone, 不. Alright, 不谢 instead of 不谢. Okay? Alright, let's start by checking our text one in this lesson. Let's look at the picture. We see a boy helping a girl put her luggage into the car. The girl says 谢谢 to the boy, and the boy replies 不谢, you are welcome. Now let's listen to the audio.
课文1
Text 1. 谢谢
不谢
Okay, now please read after me. 谢谢不谢 Very good. Now let's watch a short video to see how 谢谢 is used in real life. 谢谢谢谢 to thank. 谢谢 Now let's learn our second group of new words. So here, how to rate 不客气. Please read after me. 不客气 Very good. 不客气 is a phrase. It means you are welcome. We use it politely reply when someone said 谢谢, thank you. Literally, 不 means not, and 客气means polite or formal. So together, they form a phrase meaning no need to be polite. Now, let's look at the text 2. In this dialogue, A says 谢谢你, thank you, and B replies 不客气, you are welcome. In the picture, we can see a woman holding some food to an elderly woman. This shows a polite and kind interaction. The woman is helping the elderly woman, and she politely thanks her, 谢谢你. And the woman replies kindly by saying 不客气. So now let's listen to the audio.
课文2
Text 2. 谢谢你不客气
Very good. Now repeat after me. 谢谢你不客气 Great. So now let's watch a short video to see how 不客气 is used in real life. 不客气不客气 You're welcome. Don't mention it. 谢谢不客气 All right. Let's continue to learn our last group words, new words 3. So here we only have one word. 再见 Please read after me. 再见再见 is a phrase. It means goodbye. And here, 再 means again and 见 means to see. We use it when saying goodbye and hoping to meet again. For example, when you leave a friend or classmate, you say 再见 goodbye. Now let's look at the text 3. In this dialogue, a person A said 再见 goodbye, and person B replies 再见 goodbye. In the picture, we can see a child leaning out of a car window and waving and say goodbye. This shows the common way people say farewell in Chinese. We say 再见 when we want to say goodbye to someone we don't see for a while. So, please listen to the audio.
课文3
Text 3. 再见。
再见
Very good. Now, read after me. 再见。再见。Well done. And now, let's look at the video about 再见 in real life. 再见。再见。To see you around. 再见。Now we've finished the whole lesson. Let's do a front practice, real life role play. So, we need to use the phrase 谢谢, 不谢, 不客气, or 再见 in daily situations. I will show you 4 things and think, what would you say in Chinese? Let's go. So, here is the scene 1. Your friend gives you a snack and you will say what? Very good. We will say 谢谢, thank you. Let's move to the scene 2. You help your classmate carry their backpack and they say 谢谢. So you will say, very good, 不谢, you are welcome. Okay, here is the scene 3. You give a bowl of soup to grandma. She says, 谢谢你. What will you say? Okay, we say, 不客气. Very good. And in the end, the scene 4, after school, you wave goodbye to your friend. What will you say? Great. We will say, 再见, goodbye. Okay, that's all about today's lesson for lesson 2. You can check out the vocabulary bank for this lesson in the YouTube community tab. Go take a look and review what you've learned. So see you in the next lesson. I'm teacher Xīnyú. 再见.